I think what is unique about MANA's Latina Success Leadership Program is that we offer a safe place for women to come together and learn and share and be a network of support for each other. Sometimes women don't recognize the power they have within themselves, and it takes another strong woman or a mentor to push them to develop themselves, to push them outside of their comfort zone, because that's when you grow the most and you can be the best you can be. So MANA de San Diego created the Latina Success Leadership Program because we found out that less than 4% of Latinas are in managerial positions, and even less than that are in political office. So we came together with the Center for Creative Leadership to create the program. We've had about 140 participants, and they go through Saturday classes, and the classes are on empowerment, networking and branding, resiliency, and civic engagement.
The Center for Creative Leadership is a nonprofit organization whose mission is to advance the understanding, practice, and development of leadership for the benefit of society worldwide.
So this leadership journey that we created has 4 sessions, and these 4 sessions are, the main goal is to empower Latinas to be proactive and purposeful about achieving their goals in life and in leadership. The journey includes helping them have clarity around their identity as Latinas and as women. We work on strategic networks, on purposeful branding, on resilience, and overall on the confidence that they can do it. We help them manage their internal fears and have the confidence that it is possible for them to find a voice and go after their dreams.
Leadership can change organizations, and fundamentally we at CCL believe that leadership can change society and the world in ways that nothing else really can.
I have learned so much. I feel like the biggest takeaway from this program is the amazing Latina women that I've met that have empowered me just by being with them in a leadership program, talking about the challenges that we experience out in the workforce and all the family life integration with our careers that we're constantly balancing, we're trying to struggle through, and really just being a part of this great community.
The biggest change for me was to not minimize myself and everything that I do. I think growing up in a Latina culture, we're told to only speak when spoken to, and to be supportive of our husbands and to make family a priority, and I've done all of those things, but this was a reminder that I needed to take care of myself. I don't think we do that enough, and so being in a room of women that all felt that way gave me that extra just support and push that I needed to continue to do it, to be the best version of myself.
Well, it's the backbone really of the community to have people who have been successful in leadership to be able to mentor and to be there as guides and to be there as mentors. And that's what we gain from these kind of programs. They don't just come about by accident. They come about because people realize a need and they know how valuable it is to be sure that people who are in very different professions see their role in leadership. Being able to persuade, advise, and to help make decisions that benefit the community. They do that, and this group does that.
MANA de San Diego's programs work. Our mentorship program, our scholarships, our professional development programs are producing the future leaders for our community, and we can't do it alone. We need the community support. So please offer your time, treasure, and talent to MANA de San Diego and get involved in this awesome, significant movement in San Diego County.